SJ here from MarineMax Nisswa, and we have a good one for you today. Welcome to boating season 2025 on the all-new redesigned XStar. This is the 25-foot model. They have this also in a 23-foot model. We have it in the black mica flake, jet black, and white hull with the gold chrome badging. Even just starting out on the trailer here, this is a triple axle trailer. You have a really easy step giving you access to the platform, so you can board this boat super easily even when you're not in the water yet. And then once you enter the platform, you have a full walkthrough. This is brand new for the year. We always have a nice full walkthrough here on MasterCraft, but what they've done is they've taken out this center seat and given you a full pathway into the boat. And you'll see these arms right here, these kind of guide rails. There's a hidden gem under the deck. You've got your judge's seat that folds right up out of the ground here. When it first comes out, it's like a table configuration, but you can flip up one side or both to have your stadium seating here in the back of the boat. That handle doubles as a cup holder, which is really convenient, but it gives you a wide open view of the aft of the boat. We've got our sunken in lounge seats here in the back. Awesome new upgrade for the year. You can fit even 2 people in there. I hang out with my girlfriends and watch the sunset off the back, and a bunch of us can fit here. We have the swim step in the back. Super easy to deploy. You're not stubbing your toe when you get in and out of the water. Just step right on there, and then you can flip it back up when you're ready to come back inside the boat. This has the new Max audio system with 26 speakers, so this thing bumps on the lake. And it's totally customizable and easy to control here at the helm. So you've got your dual touchscreen display, huge camera angle in the back there off of the Z100 tower. Or you have your dial right here next to the helm. This is your helm command. This is gonna let you switch your wave, change your speed, everything at the touch of a button without losing control of the steering wheel here. You also have your thruster control right here on the throttle, so you're not taking your hand away at any time while you're docking and might be in a critical situation. Underneath the helm, you have a nice storage drawer with a lock. This boat has room for 18 people, and you might find yourself having a lot of gear and a lot of garbage to get rid of. They upgraded the garbage door this year, so it is super smooth and matches the aesthetic of the rest of the boat. You have new stitching, new color combinations, new SeaDeck flooring options, and this one even has a refrigerator on board. There's 4,000 pounds of ballast on board, and with your SUPERCHARGED system, you're gonna be rocking all summer long. This is such a classy surf boat, so come check this boat out at MarineMax in Nisswa. We can't wait to see you here. We have so many MasterCrafts in stock and ready for you to take home. We would love to take you and your family for a test drive, so come visit us today.